Press the temperature button and the minus button and select COO beneath the minimum temperature value. Then, open the oven door and press Start to enable the temperature flashing on the display. The unit will start to decrease in temperature. Once the oven is cool, remove the stainless steel baffle, wire shelves, and support racks, which are all dishwasher safe. Next, clean any buildup of grease from the oven interior using a mild detergent, hot water, and a soft bristle brush. We recommend Noble Chemical Sunbright for daily cleaning and Noble Chemical Knockout or Blast for a deep clean or carbon buildup. Dry the oven with a soft dry cloth and then reinstall the steel baffle, wire shelves, and support racks. To clean the exterior of the oven, use a mild detergent, hot water, and a soft bristle brush to remove any grease buildup. Note: remember to replace or clean the cooling filter located in the back of the unit regularly. Open the door and keep it ajar about 30 degrees. Remove the 2 external screws, unscrewing counterclockwise. Pull out the sheet metal profile carefully. Gently take out the inner glass and place it on a soft cloth or similar suitable surface. Clean the glass using a soft cloth with a neutral product specific for glass, following the instructions of the detergent. Your oven is now clean and ready for use.